So here we have insert all the details. First we have to require after IA05, then enter, then in group STP plan, preventive maintenance of STP plant, planning plan GJMB, work center, usage for plant maintenance, planner group mechanical, status 4 numbers, release journal, and the maintenance strategy is our monthly. Here we can set our maintenance strategy for our requirement, like hourly, monthly, yani ki how many hours machine run, then the preventive maintenance will require weekly, and for vehicle it is hourly wage. Each comes for the vehicle, like the any motorbike, motorcycle, four-wheeler, any equipment which is running. After the some hours we require some specific checking, so we can adjust as per that. So now I am taking here monthly, then enter. Okay, then going in operation. So here I am just writing clean machine, now here number one, number H. Now going, all the operation description are entered here. Check pressure gauge, check active indicator, hydraulic oil fill up, backwash, etc. Now going at M&T pack, maintenance packages overview. Click here, and these files from which month you have to require. You have to click here, like in first month I require these three. Every 3 months I require these four. Every year I require this. This is for your information. And then so the every month these three will be the every month order. These three operation will be shown, and when every 3 months these 4 operation will be shown, and at the year end 12 month these operation will be shown. If you want to half yearly these 4 months, then you have to also click here and remove these. So these three operations are shown on the half yearly. Now save. STP plant save. Now going in second ticket IP01. Click here maintenance category, maintenance order strategy, monthly. So select here strategy month maintenance order and write here your machine name. Select here your machine. This equipment is selected. All the details come preventive maintenance STV plant equipment also selected. Set priority. The click on task list, select task list. This is automatic. Come here and execute. So these all are the task list is come. Here we have just making this task is preventive maintenance of STP plant. It's all. So we are select this and then choose. So this is task list. It's chosen. This zone 1 month, 6 month, 12 month. Now going on maintenance plan scheduling. Right here 365 days. Startup cycle. Time to date. Now going here maintenance plan additional data. So here you have to must select these. Must. If you do not select these, then your plan will not be shown if you enter all the details correctly. But if you have to must going here, then select this IDMC planning. As per your all these details are done. So save this. The maintenance plan 570 created. The maintenance plan is created. Now IP10 IP10 schedule a maintenance plan 570 we have to take in here automatically it's come. Now enter, click here start in cycle, date and select packages. So my April month and this is the second month. Select here set start offset. Now going back, you can also select these and set start octave. Now 2 months, this is the second one. Now going back and just show you the detail 13 6 13 8 13 9 11 13 4 2020. So on this date your preventive maintenance will be executed in the SAP system. The order will be show you before the 13/6/2019, 7 days before. Now click here save. Okay, now our preventive maintenance of STP plant is completed. So check here IP24, enter equipment, enter. Now execute. Order type PM02 for preventive maintenance plant 570 create strategy monthly done preventive maintenance STP plant date 13/6/2019 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay.